You've probably seen people make millions of dollars off of trading meme coins. And if you want to be able to do that too, then you're in luck because you've stumbled across the ultimate beginner's guide for meme coin trading. Let's jump right in. So the first thing that you're going to need is a wallet to store your Solana, because that's what we're going to be using to trade our meme coins. So for this, we're going to be using Phantom Wallet. It's the most popular wallet for meme coins. It's a Chrome extension and an app on the App Store. But we're just going to go ahead and get that. As you can see, I created a brand new wallet called Test for Video and sent a little bit of Solana to it. But you're going to need some Solana to start off with. So head over to this buy section right here, choose Solana, and then put in how much you want to buy. The next step is to actually go to a meme coin trading website. And for this, we're going to use Pump.fun. It's probably the most beginner-friendly meme coin trading website. So the next step is choosing what meme coin you want to invest to. And here it splits off into two options. The first one is you can invest in a brand new meme coin that's just come out and get a lot of the coin, but potentially lose all of your money right away. And the other one is to invest into an already popular meme coin, but you won't get as many of the coins and probably your return won't be as high. However, it's less risky. Let's take a look at this coin right here. Within the first few minutes of being published, this coin went from basically 0 all the way up to 98% bonding curve. And this is a strategy that people do to rug pull the coin and take all the investors' money. The person who made the coin only holds 1.44%, but don't be fooled because all of these other accounts are also the developer of the coin. And he's planning to sell all of it and scam all of the people who bought the coin. All right. We're going to go ahead and invest in this coin right here really quickly and see if we can make a little bit of profit. And basically what we need to do is look at this ticker right now. All right, we're at 52. And then ultimately, we're just going to sell out of the coin, take the small profit, and then keep doing that over and over again with other coins until we have a whole bunch of Solana. We're going to head back to our Phantom wallet and head to soul-incinerator.com and connect our wallet like so. Now you can see that we have a vacant account. We're going to go ahead and mark this account for close, clean up, boom, confirm, and get some of our Solana back. And I think rug pulls are probably the biggest risk when it comes to investing in brand new meme coins that just came out. Ones with a much longer history are a lot safer. And what we're going to do is go to featured and go to sort by market cap. So now basically we can see all of the biggest meme coins out there that were made on Pump.fun. See, I think that this Fwog guy is pretty cute little Fwog. But this has been around for months, so you know that it's not just going to rug pull you. Buying into some of these bigger coins is a lot safer because you won't get rugged and lose all your money just like that. Some final thoughts, of course, are meme coin trading, incredibly risky. Do it at your own expense. I would say don't invest a ton of money into any one particular coin because 99% of the time you're going to lose it. So be safe with your money, you guys. But anyway, that'll be it for today. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button and slap the bell. Don't miss out on any of those new videos. But anyway, you guys, I will be seeing you all next time.